Hello everyone, my name is Rebekkah Watkins and I'm graduating from the Public History Master's Program. I'm an out-of-state student all the way from the Midwest, Nebraska to be specific. I completed my undergraduate degree at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln in journalism and classical studies. I want to start by saying welcome and congratulations, we did it! I would also like to begin by giving a huge thank you to some very special people. Chancellor Everett, the Board of Trustees, the Provost and Vice Provost, the College of Arts and Sciences, donors, and all the university deans that have supported us. And especially a thank you to Dean McKenzie of the Graduate School for advocating for so many beneficial changes for myself and fellow graduate students. Community is a word that I kept coming back to as I reflected on my time at Appalachian. At first, I couldn't figure out why exactly, and then it made sense. Each aspect that I'm going to speak on today comes back to the word community, and that community is Appalachian State University. 2 years ago, I arrived as an out-of-state student who knew no people. Heck, I didn't even know my own roommate. But no worries, she's great. It was tough for a semester or two, feeling like I didn't have anyone, or feeling like I didn't really belong. I would see my classmates and those I worked with in my graduate assistantship once or twice a week, but then I would go home and be isolated again. Slowly but surely, these mountains began to feel like home. My cohort started hanging out. I was making friends with the people that I worked with and the faculty in my department. Oh man, the faculty in my department became the biggest support system I had. My support system became my community. We each have a support system or one person who really made a difference to us during our time at App State. I bet you're picturing someone right now, right? That person for me is Dr. Andrea Burns in the history department. I want to thank her for dealing with me for 3 straight semesters of classes, through my summer internship in Washington D.C, and acting as my thesis chair for over a year. Without her, I am positive that my time here at App State would not have been so successful and positive. It is important to realize that the faculty and staff here at the university are a major part of the community that we call home. Even now, when we are all spread out across the state, and some even further away, I can feel that Appalachian support and community. It feels like home even when I'm not there. The text messages from people in my program, the emails of support from the history department, and also the graduate student life team who work tirelessly to keep us connected. That is truly a sign of community. App State is more than just undergrads and grad students. We mix and mingle and help each other out. For the last 2 years, I have worked as a graduate assistant for the Appalachian Commitment to College Education for Student Success and Student Support Services scholarship programs. These programs serve undergraduate students and provide them with tools to be successful in school and life here at App State. The programs create a community for their students and the mentors. Academic coaches and other graduate assistants for the program are all part of the community within the Student Learning Center. Not only have I supported these undergraduate students, but they have provided me with a chance to teach and mentor, and sometimes they give better advice than I do. Many graduate students act as teachers, mentors, coaches, and many other roles that support and work with undergraduate students. We are ultimately connected through our studies, and that is a key part of the Appalachian family and community. These past few months, I have gotten to represent the graduate student body as the graduate student government president. Getting to speak on behalf of my college, my department, and my fellow graduate students is the perfect ending to the graduate school chapter of my life. Getting a degree, either a bachelor's, master's, doctorate, or certificate, is a tough journey in life. Some of us were crazy enough to go on this journey right after high school or our undergraduate careers. I was one of the crazy ones. But there were many who were brave enough to come back for a degree after careers or families, and that right there shows us that we might all be on different life paths, but for a brief time, we did this together as a community. So with that, I will leave all of you with this. While our journey together has ended and our paths are going to get crazy and full of surprises, I hope you will all take the skills we learned together at this university and apply them to the crazy days to come. Spring of 2020 has been nothing short of surprises. Going forward, we as future leaders, doctors, technicians, teachers, and many other things We can't go back to how it was. We can look forward to what will come and the changes the world and life may take us on. Let us embrace those changes as we are the next leaders of the world. We will face new challenges and in that process learn to lead and make decisions for the next in line. Just know, this time at Appalachian has prepared us. We are the next generation to conquer goals and exciting new paths. Together as a community, we will continue to do our best, and I encourage each one of you to take on the challenge and make it your own. Thank you.